County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a confirmed tornado over Lake Thunderbird. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Stella, Pinkett, Dale, Lake Thunderbird, and Bethel Acres. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located 5 miles southeast of Tryon, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include large hail up to ping pong ball size, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Cushing, Chandler, Yell, Kearney, Tryon, Agra, Kendrick, Avery, and Parkland. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. The National Weather Service has